Okay, so Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Sheikh Bilal Haq in front of you. And as promised, now I'm discussing some of the benchmark question for June 2021, that is Strategic Business Leadership Examination. So, most important question for revision, presented by Sir Sheikh Bilal Haq. So these are the questions. As you all know, if you want to revise the entire syllabus within the shortest possible time, so you need to do this. In strategic business leadership, most important questions for revision, that is June 2021 attempt. Uh, this has been a norm that I've been doing this since way too long now. Let me put my screen over here so that I can show you the entire set of skills. Okay, so the first question that you will be doing is the specimen paper number 1, DCS company, question number 1A, part 2, which contains the integrated reporting 6 capital. You know it very well. Integrated reporting has always been the most favorite topic of the examiner, and the formats that will be tested in this part will be the report, as well as there are 20% marks, that is the cash marks being kept for evaluation, skepticism, business acumen, communication, and analysis skills. So the skills that will be tested is evaluation skill. I guess there's a spelling mistake, it's evaluation skills. Then the second thing that you'll be doing is the SBH mock exam 2. For all those who do not have this mock exam, after the completion of my workshop, I'll give these mock exam to everyone who wants it for the for the purpose of revision. So question number 1, part B, strategic change management shall be done. The format that are tested are number 1, briefing paper, commercial communication skills, and commercial acumen. Then you will be going through the specimen 2, question number 1B, question number 2A and B, rail company. The topics that are tested is the corporate governance and the internal controls. You'll have to draft a briefing paper and the letter, and the skills that are tested is the evaluation and skepticism skills. Then you will be going through the specimen number 3, question number 3A, 4A and B, project and team management. It's basically about the report. Communication skills are being tested. Then last but not the least, March 2020 attempt, question number 3, part A, B and C. You will be going for the key performance indicators. Obviously the CSF, that is critical success factors, along with the key performance indicator, are the most important topic for June 2021. Management, change management and restructuring. You will be tested for the presentation slides, emails, letters, and briefing note, and again commercial acumen and communication skills. Note, remember these things. These are just the benchmark question that every SBL 2021 student should attempt in time barred scenario. Now I need to tell you something. Let me finish this. To increase the confidence before exam, you attain 20% easy marks for showcasing professional skills. Remember, all these questions are just for those students who want a quick revision of the entire SBL course within 2 to 3 days. So these are just the benchmark question. And one more thing. Recently, I'm announcing my workshop. It will be done from 22nd. It's basically an online workshop plus the physical classes. It's on the hybrid model. What we will be doing is we'll be covering the entire SBL syllabus with the shortest possible revision notes. I'll be giving you some revision notes, number 1. Secondly, we will be going through majority of the past paper of strategic business leadership. Thirdly, we'll be conducting 2 mock exam at the end of the day. And fourthly, everything will be conducted on the given format of the examination, that is the SBLCB format presented by the examiner. So I would request you all that for all those who need quick revision, you may join the workshop. And if you are doing these benchmark questions, make sure that you do them on the stated formats, that is the CBE format that is being presented to you by the ACC examination. I hope so this remains beneficial for you all. Best of luck for your examination. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.